Today in class we talked about how to create a new document in Illustrator. Now, most of the time I will provide Illustrator documents already created for you, but there will be times you need to know how to make a new document for specific situations. You'll see on Google Classroom today, I shared with you this screenshot of the size and the specifications you're going to need for your first document you'll make on your own. Now to do that, first thing we're going to do is go to Adobe Illustrator. This is what it should look like when you get to it. You might not have these recent documents because you might not have as many recent ones, but you're going to hit the button Create New, and then you're going to follow the specifications. Now I have the specifications from the last time I created one, but if you look in your Google Classroom, you'll see that it says Art and Illustration on the top. And then I hit postcard and I tweaked it so that the width was 300 PT, which stands for points, and the height was also 300. Basically, we're making a perfect square. So I'm going to go back to my Illustrator, hit Art and Illustration, hit postcard, and then type in, you can highlight the number yourself and hit the number 300 for both of these. You don't have to change any other settings. Everything else should be default. Then hit the button Create. Now you're going to leave this file as is. You're going to end up bringing a lot of things to this file later, so do not close it. I highly recommend taking a moment and saving it actually. So let's practice saving it again. We're going to go to File, Save As, and we're just going to make sure this is saved on our computer. And I told you to make a folder on your documents. I still have mine from last time, and I'll name this 1.4 just so I can find it later. I can also put my name in it. Hit save and then hit OK, and you're done with your first part. When you're done with that, please close your screen halfway so I know you're ready to move on.